There's little Miss Mona. Hi, Mona, baby. Mona. Mona. Hey! Gilly? I want to go running. I gotta make sure I do the poop. Tom just went to the gym. I have a funeral today. One of my dearest, oldest girlfriends, her mom passed away. And this woman was like a second mom to me. Just we were close, tight girlfriends, and you know, I haven't seen them in a couple of years now, so it's gonna be a tearjerker. Yeah. I know. Chip. Yeah. Right now, it's like a warmer morning, but it's kind of damp because it's rained a little, but there's a little breeze going, so it's not chilly. It's okay. It's nice. I gotta do poop. I'm getting ready to do poop. Fly! If you shut your trap, everybody would shut up. God, doesn't listen. Yeah. All right. Evidently, with the rain, that triggers more energy. I guess because the sun is a little bit draining. Oh, Denham ran all the way around to the opposite side just now. He was right at the gate. Hey! Let's not be dumb. Otto and Toodles wanted inside real quick. All right. I'll give them a couple minutes inside. They're probably going to take a quick siesta. And then we got, oh my God. Seriously? Raccoons. Seriously, raccoons. Oi. All right, just had to break up an argument. Gilly barking in the face of Stormy and Bear. I don't know. Just, you know, dogs doing doggy things. Come on, dummy. Hey. What? Come on, let's go. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Come. Let's go. We got rain. Let's go, kids. Come on. Beep, beep. Forgot my whistle. Dang it. Zerb, you coming? It's not important. All right, we got to get under the canopy of the trees here so we can not be totally pinged with rain. I should have grabbed the umbrella. But I have a raincoat on that does have a hood, which is helpful. There goes Louie. Look at these two. Bandit! Bear! Come on, Bear! You can't eat everything in the woods. Bear! He's right behind this tree. Come on! Look at him, busy eating things. Oh, really? Oh, goodness. It's one of those days where a little bit on the slow moving for myself and the guys. In the beginning, we were coming in hot right out of the gate and just crazy. And then it just kind of died off. All right. Short, quick, done. Okay. That's fine. Yeah, so who knows when that came here. And that You know, could have been here forever. Could have been a deer unraveled it. Could have been somebody threw it down here. Could have been something from a previous owner. I don't know. Tree down. There's Mr. Bandy. Bandy boo boo. I'm coming. Gotta give me a minute. Oh my God, I turn around. Look at the 3 lollygaggers. Maverick's almost as bad as Bandit now with the sniffing. Or he could be, as we all know, doing his landscaping, as I like to call it. So chewing on limbs, logs, trees. Come on, guys. A giblet down there. You see? He just put it down. The size of this branch that Louie's got. Look at how long it is. Oh, Louie. That's why I got whipped in my hamstrings just now as he went flying by. I was like, oh God. I mean, literally, I got whipped at my hamstrings with that branch. Coming out of the woods, Mona was yelling and screaming because she could hear a bunch of stuff going on here. See her? We're here. Hey, where are you going? Bear.
Oh, I don't know. I smell something. It's probably poo.
Junior licking his chops. He probably got into something. Nasties. Don't take kisses when they are licking their face after being in the woods. That's just being wise. Mona, why don't you come and play instead of being a scaredy cat? She's just so darn skittish. Mona. I mean, Tom can get real close to her and pet her and all that kind of stuff, but not so much with me. What do you think, Denim? What do you think? Zerb! Derby! See Zerbert? See him? Derby, what are you doing? Sniffing for a bunny? We did have a baby bunny that was living in there a couple years ago. Who knows if they come back to their same burrows. It's quite the hiding spot. Come on. Mona.